Alright then, for anyone who just wants a quick test of how salt affects conduction of electricity through water, there's no salt added to this. Put the probes in there again, quite a variable reading. If you leave it in, you start to get that chemical reaction around the probes. 4.6K, say, as a rough idea. Let's add 3 grams of salt to that. Give it a stir. That's going to be about a 5% salt solution again. So that's quite similar to adding 5% by weight of water to your track. I think the thing to remember is once you've added salt, you have no real idea what the salt concentration of the track is from there on, particularly once you start putting water on the track, which will tend to wash the salt out. Just see what that means. I'm just lowering that down to the same level now. The meter reading has now changed to, oh sorry, it's still on kiloohms. It's giving more decimal places because it's an auto ranging meter. It's now reading about 1.4K, something in that kind of area, maybe up to 1.5. So a dramatic difference. That 3% added salt has changed the reading from 4.6 kiloohms at the start with no salt down to 1.5 kiloohms with 3 grams of salt, roughly 5% salt solution. So you can see what a huge effect adding salt to your track is going to make to your moisture meter reading. And as I say, as far as that goes, and as far as the other variabilities that we've seen today go, I don't think they have any place on the track, certainly not in winter. Maybe in summer. We'll do some summer testing. We'll try and do some sand samples and see what happens to them in trying to simulate some hot weather, and maybe try the moisture meter again on those. But yeah, throw them away for the winter, and they'll just deceive you. And the other thing, of course, it's very easy to, it's an easy way to look as a track, to put an electronic instrument on it and then act according to what that says, rather than using your own discretion or your own experience. So it's a bit of a cop-out, and it might explain why some tracks behave in perhaps people in a way that people don't expect them to. Okay, that's it for now on that. We will do some resistance measurements on different types of sand, and that will be the next video when we actually get around to doing that. But for the moment, that should cover the moisture meter side of things. Thank you.